Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Ciabatta Club. And sometimes this happens where my stupid camera, I think it's recording, it actually isn't. And I've already completed a few steps, but that's all right. I'll talk you through it. All right, as you can see here, I've got 4 ciabattas sliced in half. To them, I drizzled just a little bit of olive oil on each slice. And then I added some whole milk mozzarella that I shredded in the food processor. Now, to one side of them, I'm adding some ham. About 3-4 slices of standard deli sliced ham. And to that, we're going to add some deli-style pepper turkey. And then we're going to add some pepper bacon. To make pepper bacon, it's very simple. Basically, get some bacon on a baking sheet. Put some pepper on it. Pop the bacon in a 300-degree oven and bake until the bacon is done. And bacon is non-negotiable because bacon makes everything better. Then, you want to add some slices of Swiss to each one of the ciabatta halves. And then you just want to pop this into a 425-degree oven until the cheese is melted and everything is ooey gooey and wonderful. Okay, our ciabatta's journey in the oven is done. Now let's start assembly. First thing you want to do is add some thin slices of red onion. And then you want to add a nice slice of tomato. Always remember when you're adding tomato to give that tomato a little bit of salt and just a little bit of pepper. And then you want to add some mayonnaise to one of the ciabattas. And then you just want to add a little bit of shreddis. And that's it. Put the top on. And that is a Ciabatta Club. Done.